I hope you are all well. Students, after publication of 10 plus 2 results, you students are busy searching for BBA course at undergraduate level. Of course, students, your search is about the top BBA colleges. And in this regard, today's video is very important because in today's video, I will review the BBA program offered at J.D. Birla Institute, Kolkata. J.D. Birla Institute is 50 years old college in Kolkata, located in Minto Park area, affiliated to Jadavpur University, offering 4 years BBA program as per national education policy. So in today's video, let us find out J.D. Birla Institute admission criteria, the fee structure, what is the BBA program offering, what are the JDBI advantages, what is the placement of BBA students from J.D. Birla Institute. All that and many more only in today's video. So watch this video till the end. If you have any query regarding J.D. Birla Institute BBA department, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can put your query on WhatsApp on the same number. You can also write down your query in the comment box. Apna College Net, in this YouTube channel, you are going to get the university and college review with authenticated and genuine information. So like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel, press the bell icon for new video update and alert. Share this channel link with your friends. And follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, Instagram page, Apna College 1. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net where you can get list of top colleges in Kolkata, in Bangalore and India. So let us start today's video. J.D. Birla Institute, in short JDBI, was established in 1962 under Vidya Mandir Society, an educational trust managed by the S.K. Birla Group. J.D. Birla Institute has completed more than 50 years in service to higher education. In acknowledgement of its continuous quest for excellence and the exemplary standards it has set, National Assessment and Accreditation Council in 2010 has awarded J.D. Birla with the highest possible grading of A. J.D. Birla Institute is affiliated with Jadavpur University of Kolkata. J.D. Birla Institute is located at Minto Park in Kolkata. Shiksha Bharati Award, Economic Times Best Education Brand Award and Asia Summit and Education Today have awarded J.D. Birla as the top BBA college in Kolkata. J.D. Birla Institute Department of Management is offering BBA course which is 4 years regular full-time course. The course highlights are business fundamentals, corporate taxation and business tax planning, business economic outlook, business research, e-commerce, entrepreneurial skills development, people management, contemporary marketing and financial concepts and tools, business project handling, business communication and personality development. The JDBI advantages, let us look at that. The BBA course of J.D. Birla is highly appreciated nationwide, and the semester-wise BBA curriculum of J.D. Birla is available with choice-based credit system, and the full-time faculty members are with rich academic and industry experience, and there will be educational excursion, and extracurricular activities for J.D. Birla BBI students. And moreover, there is short-term course with National Stock Exchange and IIT Mumbai for J.D. Birla BBA students. J.D. Birla BBA students opt for 4 weeks compulsory internship, and for the current year, the students of J.D. Birla have availed the internship facility in Exide Industries, ITC, Adidas, Toyota, Maruti Suzuki, Berger Paints. Let us now look into J.D. Birla current year BBA placement update. There is a placement record of more than 90%, and the students have been placed into the profile of sales and marketing, finance and financial services, in the analyst job role and also in general management job role. The prominent recruiters are Wipro, Futures First, Deloitte Consulting, ITC Hotels, Godrej and Tata Consultancy Services. The BBA class timings at J.D. Birla Institute are Monday to Friday 12:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and Saturday 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. There are 60 to 65 students in the BBA class in J.D. Birla. Now let us look into the eligibility criteria. Candidates securing minimum 50% marks in 10 plus 2 examination from recognized board with English as a compulsory subject are eligible to apply for J.D. Birla BBA program. J.D. Birla BBA application is completely online, and here I have given the J.D. Birla Institute website. The cost of the application fee is 1500 only. Now let us look into the BBA selection criteria. The BBA selection criteria, the first parameter is academic performance, which has got 60% weightage. The second parameter is the marks obtained in mathematics in class 12. The third parameter is formal training in performing of visual arts or of sports or participation in the same at regional, state, national or international levels. And both for the second parameter, marks of mathematics in class 12 and this extracurricular activities carry 10% weightage, and in the interview and group discussion you have got 20% weightage in the BBA selection criteria at JD Birla Institute. At JD Birla Institute, the tuition fees for BBA course is 64,000 per semester. JD Birla Institute has an impressive campus with all support facilities. JD Birla campus is Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with spacious soundproofed air-conditioned classrooms with LCD projector, 250-seater convention center, state-of-the-art computer laboratories, a common students' recreational area, canteen providing affordable and hygienic vegetarian food, indoor and outdoor games facility, and in-house health center. The detailed review of BBA program offered at JD Birla Institute, Kolkata. If you have any query regarding JD Birla Institute BBA department, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can put your query on WhatsApp on the same number. You can also write down your query in the comment box. Apna College Net, in this YouTube channel, you are going to get the university and college review with authenticated and genuine information. So like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel, press the bell icon for new video update and alert. Share this channel link with your friends. And follow us on our Facebook page Apna College, Instagram page Apna College 1. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net, where you can get list of top colleges in Kolkata, in Bangalore and India.